Hey gang, here today with another beach scene. This one I'm doing over 2 pops. This is supposedly my beach. I say my beach, I don't own it. I'm pretty sure the Queen owns the beaches. The beach that I can see from my window. So yes, it's mine! No one's allowed on it. I'm just doing a rough ombre of Bluebird and I've had Prosecco, not gonna lie. Bluebird and powder blue. And this is Miss Sunshine. I'm not going to really go into much detail about what I'm doing because I was just making it up as I went along. I didn't have a picture for reference, which is why I don't like this nail. It's just, I don't like it. But it's filmed and it's edited, so it's going on the channel. That was Miss Sunshine and Alaska. I'm now just mixing Alaska and the first base and doing some wispy clouds. I'm doing 2 nails sort of pretty much the same until we get a bit further down the line. And we have on my beach, we have these like, I think they're called rock mountains. They're not mountains. They're not huge. I mean, they're big enough, like, you know, that says signs that say don't be an arsehole and climb on the rocks, which arseholes completely ignore and climb on the rocks. But one day they'll fall in the hole and the tide will come in and they'll die, and then, you know, serves you damn right. Should have read the sign. I did climb up on them when I was younger though. But yes, so we have these sort of rock, I think there's 8 rock, what are they called, rock piles? There's a name for the pile, sounds horrible. I'm going to call them mountains. That sounds much more impressive. This is Boarding Pass. And so you get these sort of where the sea comes in, when the tide comes in, you get these little bays, little lagoons where water comes in around either side of them and takes a while until it touches from each side. So you get these sort of little bays of, like, in the summer, it's like bath water. It's just warm and lovely. It's really nice. So I thought I'd get some of those in. I have put some detail. The reason I don't like this nail is because none of the detail is showing on camera. I did detail on the sea. I used a powder blue on top of the boarding pass to give it some detail and some ripples or whatever. And it's just not really showing. And like I said, I wasn't looking at a picture. I really should have. Things always turn out better when there's a picture reference. But this, like I say, I was just making it up as I went along. Sometimes that works. Most of the time it doesn't. So yes, it's one of these rock pools on my beach. I've got a funny story. Oh, should I tell you this story? It's really mean. Yeah, screw it, I'm going to tell you. So the road I live on is it's a private road, and there's a path to the beach. Now, which is actually called, they're called Twittons. I don't know why, they just are. This is one of the rock mountains I'm drawing here. You can actually see on Google Earth, on the south coast of England where I am in West Sussex, you can see that it makes that part of the coastline sort of scalloped, where the rock mountains are, as they're just sea defences. I'm going to add some browns. I will list everything I'm using, but I used a whole bunch of stuff and I mixed some stuff together. So just buy all the Gel Perfection colours and you're shiny. So yeah, so the road, so opposite my house there's a Twitton to the beach. And it was a really this is so mean. I don't care. It was a really nice day in the summer, and there was this group of, there was quite a lot of them. There must have been about 8, 9, 10 of them, and they were walking down the road. And I'd come out my house, and they were walking down the road, and they had, you know, rubber dinghies, they had bags full of food and buckets and spades, and, you know, you just knew that was just a load of stuff that they were going to leave on the beach. They were going to leave their rubbish, and they're not technically allowed down here anyway, but whatever. And I wasn't going to say anything. If they want to go to the beach, do what you want. But one of the girls turned around and said, "Oi, can you get to the beach down here?" And I thought, And I went, oh, sorry, no, not down here, you can't, there's no access. And she went, all right then, and turned around and walked away. And I went to the beach. Oh, and I'm not even sorry. So yeah, don't ask for directions to my beach because I'm not going to tell you. So, I'm so mean. I must have been having a bitch day. Or it's more likely that I was having a normal day, and the non-sarcastic mean bitch days are the rarities. So yeah, I can't remember what the point of that was. I haven't told anyone yet. That was quite a few years ago. Now you know. Don't hate me. I probably got sunburn as like karma. Or maybe I got, you know, a golden glow. Who knows? They don't, because they weren't at the beach. Anyway, I've had a drink. So, I've done some sea coming in around the rocks, and that's I've just put some brown amongst the sand because it's sort of sandy, and then you go up to sort of stones and shingle, and then you have like grassy bits above it. You don't care, you can't see that what I'm doing. So just doing some little white foamy bits. He's got rabies, and I don't think I do too much more. I do definitely faff, because I just wasn't happy with it, but I think I'll do a sunset one because it actually looks amazing at sunset, and I do have a picture that I've taken of sunsets there, pinky, purpley, blues, just orange. Oh, it's just gorgeous on a good day, as it's any beach, but obviously I like my beach a lot, so which is why I don't tell anyone where it is. Can you get to the beach down here? No, fuck off. Take your dinghy and fuck off. Anyway, so I'm adding some more detail, just sort of give it a bit more orange. I don't know what time of day this was in these nails. Is it dawn? Is it middle of the day? I don't know. Whatever. It's just, you know, it's got an orangey glow at the end of the horizon, so pick your time of day, whichever you like the best. Yeah, so I'm not overly pleased with this nail. I just think it's a bit shit, but I'd done it and I spent time doing it, so it was going to be used as a video. I'm tempted, not gonna lie, to give myself the weekend off. I know I've been posting every day during lockdown. Oh, I might do, I don't know. You'll have to check back tomorrow and see. I'm sure I'll post something. Don't know what it'll be though. So this is Diamond Gloss, and then that'd be it. I sort of did quite a thick layer of this. Obviously there's a lot of sort of unevenness just where I've been doing lots of layers and things. The sea looks like there's no detail whatsoever. There's my broken nail, and that's it. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend indoors. Don't be a dick, and I will see you. Yep. Why is this so slow now? We've seen it. Stop it. And, oh my goodness me. Will you fuck off already? Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye. Wave. Crikey.